Assalamu alaikum first of all. Nowadays I am gonna to tell you now in this video why am I bound to practice in English every day as well as making video. So let's get started. You know that in our country has lots of well-bred person but who are not able to speak in English. Why? Did you think anytime who are educated person but they cannot speak in English? Just one reason. They are not trying to speak in English. The reason why who cannot speak in English. That's why every day I must practice in English beside my work and when I feel free. This is the reason I'm bound to practice in English every day. And English is a language and language learning is not easy. This is very hard if you don't practice every day. And if you practice in English every day, it will be very easy for you, such as me. Few months ago, it was impossible for me, but I I am keeping consistency. That's why at this moment I think and I am used to making video every day as well as practice in English without face any kinds of problem. But this journey wasn't easy. Even right now, every day minimum I study 5 hours plus English. Practice grammatical structure, vocabulary, writing, reading, as well as listening native English speaker speech. So I believe it bottom my heart, if I won't practice every day in English and if I don't make video every day by day, I will lose my pronunciation, I will forget all grammatical structure, vocabulary, everything. So this is the main reason I am bound to speak in English every day beside my work. What do I do? It doesn't matter. My main intention, I must make video every day and practice in English. So no more today. See you in the next video. If you have any question, you can ask me. That's all about today's video topic. Mercy.